Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If your eyes they are getting hooded, they are going very inside or deep down, it means you have either a facial tension or your skin is getting aged or it can be due to genetics also. We will do some few exercises that can help you reduce facial tension, that can brighten up your eye area and reduce hooded out. So stay with me till the end and grab some face oil. Let's begin with some few exercises. Placing your index finger on the inner corner of the eye like this. Now gently stretching the skin like your index finger is moving apart from each other. Here like this. Keep it slow. Continue. Do it very slow. Now switch the side and do from the other side, placing your index finger on the inner corner and gently stretching it upward and outward. This will relieve the facial tension. Beautiful. Now relax. Place your fingers on the outer corner of the eye like this, and from the other hand placing it overhead and gently lift the skin. Keep lifting it up slowly and gently. Now switch the side. Place it here on your index, on your outer corner and lift. Keep your spine straight. Do it slowly. This will reduce the tension as well as lift the skin. This will reduce the tension as well as lift the skin. This will reduce the tension as well as lift the. Beautiful. Now relax. Take your first and second finger, place here on your inner and outer corner of the eye like this. Now gently look up and engage the lower eye muscles. Like you are squinting the lower eye muscles and your upper eye muscles, they are stable. If you raise your brows and do it like this will worsen your forehead eye as well as give you forehead wrinkles. So make sure your forehead is relaxed. Place here, look up and engage. Now relax. Now take your index finger, fold it, place on your inner corner of the eye, gently glide it till your temples and press here 3 times. So you're placing it here on your inner corner, gliding it out and pressing. Keep your brows and your forehead relaxed. Do it slowly. Now relax. So these were the exercises you can do every single day to reduce redness of the eye and to brighten up your eye area. For deeper transformation and get amazing and incredible result, check the link in description. My 90-day facial transformation is officially open and it has so many more updates. So check it out. The link has been put down in the description. Till then, stay glowing, keep smiling, and subscribe for more face yoga videos.